Hello, I'm Kaumudi Mamilapalli. I hold a master's degree in management information systems and I've been working in the software industry for the past 12 years. I had the opportunity to work on various projects like development, analysis, transformations, integrations, and ETL processes, cloud migrations, data processing pipelines. I'm known for my problem solving skills and collaboratively working with cross functional teams and timely delivery. Coming to my recent project, currently I'm working as a AI/ML engineer. I would like to share a recent project at Performatica where I led, we built and deployed a Gen AI powered platform called PAISE. PAISE stands for Performatica AI Solution for Sustainable Enterprises. So the initiative is to then born out of the need to monetize sustainability efforts and help the enterprises derive some tangible value from their environmental, social, and governance data, ESG data. Yeah. So basically, it's like transforming from manual and fragmented sustainability efforts to an automated and more intelligent and compliant framework. So we aligned PAISE with broader goals like net zero targets and the Paris Agreement and regulatory mandates. The vision was to empower business units with AI-driven insights while maintaining data privacy, regulatory compliance, and domain relevance as well. We designed PAISE with a hybrid architecture. From a technical standpoint, the architecture leveraged open source models like GPT for all integrated with Open Web UI for controlled and on-premise deployment. And in cloud scenarios, we used a Hugging Chat and Microsoft Power Agent for broader scalability, and our architecture focused on secured PDF ingestions, metadata tagging, and embedding the sustainability datasets into vector databases, making them like queryable through a natural language interface. So Python played a central role. We built modular, intelligent ingestion pipelines using Python and PyPDF for document parsing and used LangChain and Hugging Face transformers to connect user queries with relevant document chunks in real time. At the core was GenAI App Store and a sustainability functional stack with APIs to connect to the enterprise digital systems. Coming to my AIML and Python contribution from the technical standpoint, my role focused on building the data pipelines and AI layers. Using Python, I developed custom pipelines to ingest the PDFs, emission templates, and SOPs and checklists. I used Hugging Face transformers and LangChain to embed the sustainability documents into vector stores for semantic search. And also, we retrained the foundation models on sustainability specific content, including GHG, GRI, and ESG frameworks to tailor the LLM's understanding to enterprise context. So with PyTorch and TensorFlow, I contributed to the fine tuning the classification models to extract the key metrics and enable variance analysis. And also we build a question bank framework to simulate the domain expert conversations and transforming how stakeholders interact with their data. So how we used Python to achieve all this? I built AI-driven data ingestion and processing pipelines, as I said, in Python almost. For document parsing, I use Python libraries like PyPDF2, PDF Plumber, and PDF Miner to extract text from hundreds of unstructured documents, including GHG templates, sustainability reports, some emission checklists, and SOPs. This was foundational to create clean, structured inputs for downstream processing. And then the text cleaning and pre-processing, we used I clean and segmented the text data, removing some noise and tokenizing the content and performing part of speech tagging like that. So this helped in identifying the contextual rich segments for AI training. And for embedding for semantic search, I built the vector databases and orchestrated embeddings with Hugging Face transformers. These embeddings were then indexed to the support semantic retrieval for querying the documents via large language models. And RAG system, we used a LangChain. I set up a chain of prompts and document context that allows users to ask like natural questions about their emissions data and get grounded example explaining answers from the AI, like what are my scope 3 emissions in 2023, or how do we compare carbon limits against yeah, EU carbon limits like that. And also worked on fine tuning the model and inference. I work both with PyTorch and TensorFlow to fine tune and pre-train the models on ESG specific vocabulary and tasks. This included a classification of sustainability risk, extracting key metrics from annual reports, and generating stakeholder specific summaries and custom API and automation. So for this, we used Fast API to expose the endpoints for integration with existing enterprise tools like dashboards or compliance portals or any reporting platform or system. Some of the use cases that we delivered, which have high impact, were automated data aggregation, AI aggregated emissions, energy use, and drilling insights, cutting reporting time by like 50 to 60%, and benchmarking. So the platform compared ESG metrics with industry peers, offering strategic insights on areas like flaring, energy efficiency, carbon, methane emissions, all this. Predictive analysis was also predictive modeling. We modeled impacted scenarios of methane regulations, helping companies adapt production and what's that investment strategies. And sustainability navigator like LLM powered assistant enabled natural language querying of the ESG data, providing some explainable insights within seconds. And we also worked on variance and gap analysis. These features highlighted discrepancies in reported versus actual data and helped map the current APIs to either future like 2030 or 2050 net zero targets. So the final outcome, so by the end of this engagement, we had established a functioning AI studio tailored to sustainability that could be scaled across departments and industries. Our clients were able to reduce manual effort and error-prone reporting, and also accelerating decision making with real-time AI insights. And it is also helps to improve the compliance confidence and personalize sustainability communication to investors, regulators, and internal leadership as well. So in summary, PAISE is a perfect example on how I applied AI and solid Python engineering, which has created a measurable impact in sustainability. It wasn't just a technical success, it was a strategic one, aligning enterprise operations with both environmental goals and market differentiation. Yeah, thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my story. I would happy to discuss more about the architecture or AI models or the development strategies. Hoping to hear exciting projects at NRG also. Thank you.